So, hello guys, good evening. I just got home. So, to start guys, I would like to share kanina nung umalis ako, going out. So, here's what happened. Wala akong mabook. Wala akong mabook. I don't know why. But, it's February 14. Tapos, it's raining guys, kanina. As in like, even nung paalis ako, pati nung pauwi ako. So, medyo pawis lang ako guys. Kasi, naglakad ako eh. So, ayun na nga, share ko sa inyo guys. So, palabas ako noon. Tapos, hindi pa siya umuulan. Pero umulan siya nung umaga. Umuulan na, lakas ng ulan, ganyan. Tapos later on, lumabas ako ng hindi na umuulan. So, naisip ko, sabi ko, parang sinisipag ako. Parang mag-walk na lang ako, ganyan, di na ako mag-book kasi since di rin naman ako makabook doon. Tapos may nakita ako guys, favorite ko kasi yun. So sabi ko, naisip ko na sige, kain muna ako bago ko naisip ko para hindi na ako kakain, pero guys, hindi yun yung nangyari. So ayun, so syempre kumain ako doon. So malapit siya sa basta yun, Secret. So ayun na nga, kumain muna ako doon, tapos nakipag-chika ako. Nung una, hindi pa ako nakipag-chika. Pero naisip ko na makipag-chika na rin kay ate. Kasi since wala namang customer noon, ako lang din naman yung customer. But on the latter part, after yung food ko, on the middle part, dumami na din yung customer. So yun, kwento-kwento, etc. etc. And then later on, umalis ako. Pero bago ko umalis, guys, I'm trying na mag-book ulit. Kasi naisip ko, busog na ako. Parang tinamad na ako maglakad, ganun. So, ayan, nilipat ko yung camera, guys, kasi nangalay ako eh. So, ayun na nga. So, I'm trying to book again. Pero wala akong mabook, guys. Wala akong mabook. So, naisip ko, since hindi ako makabook, maglakad na lang ako. Ganyan. Pero, nagtanong ako kay ate ng direction. Since wala talaga akong alam kung paano makalabas from the village, ganyan. Hindi talaga ako marunong kasi usually nagbubook ako, ganyan. So, wala talaga akong alam. Until natutunan ko, tinuruan ako ni ate, ganyan, and everything. So, thank God. So, alam mo, may purpose din si Lord kasi at least, di ba, fast forward. Ayun na nga. So, ang galing lang ni Lord kasi nung pasakay na ako, sabi ko, hala, umuulan na naman. Sabi ko, paano ako? Ganon. Sabi ko, Lord, sabi ko. Pero hindi pa siya yung malakas na ulan. Parang ambon-ambon, ganyan. Until such time na nakababa na ako ng tricycle, then pasakay na ako ulit ng another ride. And then, umuulan, lumalakas. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, wala akong umbrella. Paano ako noon? Ganyan. Papaisip na ako. Naku, lumalakas pa. Tapos nung nakasakay na ako ulit ng another ride, lumakas pa lalo. So, the thing is that, sabi ko, kaysa mag-worry ako, sabi ko, nag-pray ako. Sabi ko, Lord, I need your help. Sabi ko, Lord, wala akong umbrella. Tapos, ang lakas ng ulan. Sabi ko, Lord, I understand na, sabi ko, it's raining, and I think it's also a cleansing, ganyan. So, sabi ko, Lord, pwede po mamaya po pagbaba ko, make sure niyo po, kaya at least malapit nang akong bumaba na, Lord, baka pwede naman tumila yung ulan. Kasi wala po akong umbrella. Sabi ko kay Lord. So, the catch here is that instead of me worrying, kasi I was about to worry. Actually, I was there in that worry part. Nasa W. So, like, what I did, I prayed. Like, Lord, help me. Help me because I don't know what to do. I don't have umbrella or anything. I don't have someone with me to help me out or whatsoever, ganyan. So, I really asked the Lord to help me on the situation. So, really, the Lord helped me on that situation. So, na-amaze na naman ako kay Lord. Kasi nga wala akong umbrella. So, the catch here is that, like, whenever you get worried about something, before you worried, okay, nafe-feel mo na, nararamdaman mo na you're about to worry on the situation, you call on God. Ask God to help you on that situation because nothing is impossible with the Lord. Really, pinatila ni Lord yung ulan. I'm not joking around. Like, really, I really felt the Lord na He really gave that moment to me na I asked. Di ba sabi nga na ask, seek, and knock. Ask and it shall be given to you. Seek and you shall find. Knock and the door will be open to you. So I really saw how God opened the door for me. For me to be able to, go to the place where I should go. So, I don't want to say it. So, God really made a way for me para lang hindi ako maulanan. So, thank God. Although naulan ako slightly, pero ambon lang siya. Unlike yung sobrang lumakas talaga yung ulan. So, I know na nothing is impossible with the Lord. If you ask, God will definitely give it to you. Especially if maganda naman yung intention ng heart natin and kung ano man yung desire natin. The thing is that God is also teaching me on this part na do not worry. So, kung para sa'yo man to, I want you to know that God wants you to know, not me, correction. God wants you to know to not worry about tomorrow. Kung anong, even yung today, like if you're worried about something, surrender mo kay Lord, pray mo kay Lord kung ano yung wino-worry mo, and then let the Lord do His job. Yun lang, have faith, have faith.